What is AJAX? AJAX, which stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, is not a single programming language but a technique for creating dynamic and interactive web applications. It allows a web page to send and retrieve small amounts of data from a server in the background without needing to reload the entire page. This process makes websites feel faster and more responsive, as the user can continue to interact with the page while the content updates. AJAX is a combination of several web technologies, including JavaScript, the XML HTTP request or fetch API, and data formats like JSON or XML. Who can learn it? AJAX is an essential skill in modern web development. It can be learned by a wide range of individuals. Front-end developers, if you already have a foundation in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, learning AJAX is the next logical step to build more responsive user interfaces. Full-stack developers, for those who work on both the front-end and back-end, AJAX is a crucial tool for creating seamless communication between the client and server. Beginners, anyone new to programming who is interested in web development should learn AJAX after mastering the foundational web languages. Computer science students, learning AJAX helps students understand how modern web applications function and handle data asynchronously. Prerequisites to learn. Before you dive into AJAX, you should have a solid understanding of these core web technologies. HTML and CSS. You must be familiar with creating the structure and styling of a web page. JavaScript. This is the most critical prerequisite. AJAX is implemented using JavaScript, so you need to be comfortable with its syntax, functions, and especially with manipulating the document object model, DOM. HTTP protocol. A basic knowledge of how the web works, including client-server requests and responses, is necessary. JSON XML. You should understand these data formats, as they are commonly used to send and receive data between the client and server. Main certifications. AJAX itself is a technique, not a standalone technology with its own dedicated certifications. However, your proficiency in AJAX is a key part of several broader web development certifications. 1. Front-end Web Developer Professional Certificate. Many of these certificates from platforms like Coursera and edX include AJAX as a major component of their curriculum, demonstrating your ability to build dynamic web interfaces. 2. JavaScript Developer Certification. Since AJAX is built on JavaScript, a certification in JavaScript validates your ability to implement asynchronous communication, which is the core of AJAX. Job market and job roles. AJAX is a fundamental skill that is highly sought after in the job market. It's a standard practice in almost all modern web applications, so developers with AJAX skills are in high demand across many industries. Common job roles that require AJAX skills include: front-end developer, creates the user-facing part of a website, using AJAX to build interactive features and live content updates. Full-stack developer, manages both the front-end and back-end, using AJAX to optimize data transfer and enhance overall application performance. JavaScript developer, specializes in building dynamic applications and features, often implementing AJAX to handle server-side interactions. UX developer, focuses on improving the user experience, using AJAX to create intuitive and seamless interactions like instant search results or real-time notifications.